What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the MG YouTube channel. I'm Malcolm Grubb, CEO of Lead Automation Lead Properties and an investor in Tesla. But today, this is a property video. I got this Harbor Freight Special plumbing majig here. And yeah, I kind of want to just talk you guys through something real quick. First of all, I'm going to open this box and try to do this video with you guys at the same time. Very inefficient, but hey, you got to multitask when you can. But yeah, the primary thing I wanted to kind of talk about in this video is like when it comes to like property investments and just investing in different things. Sometimes the things need to be outsourced to like vendors and stuff like that. Plumbing is not really one that I generally outsource unless it's generally I'll have something like if I have like a big main sewer line or something like that that needs to be plumbed. I'll have somebody come out and do it. Also, like HVAC, a lot of times I have somebody come out and do it, but also a lot of times with that being said, we have like guests and stuff in our property, so I can't really wait very much time. I don't have a lot of time for me to try to be a HVAC expert at the moment. So today I have enough time to become a expert plumber. Not really, but basically, we just got a kitchen drain that's draining slow. So we bought this cheap Harbor Freight guy here. I was actually trying to get one that was not one that has an electric motor. I was trying to buy the one where you can just attach your regular drill to it. So I'll just hook up one of my DeWalt drills, and that's what I would use. But we're kind of struggling to find one. Also, when it comes to like power tools, I don't promote buying power tools from Harbor Freight, but something like this where we use them very infrequently, like we might have to do this like maybe once a year or something like that, at least as of right now. Maybe as we scale and have more properties and stuff like that. Oh god, it's heavy. We might need to do it more frequently, but like I'm literally gonna run this thing for like 5 minutes maybe and then be done with it hopefully, and hopefully fix our problem. But yeah, that was kind of the thing I just really want to point out in this video real quick, is just like investing in tools. So like if I was going to run this every day and like, or if we already had like 200 something properties and again, this was a common occurrence and we had like our own maintenance guys internally, I'd buy a more expensive version of this probably and not like the Harbor Freight version of it. Like all our other tools are pretty much DeWalt, lawn equipment's DeWalt, all those different things. So like invest in the tools where it matters, but something like this where I'm gonna run this for 5 minutes, even buying this $100 version of it, I was literally gonna buy like a $25 like one that you hook up to your drill, but we were struggling to find one. It was just becoming a waste of our time trying to find one, so I just bought this thing because it's quicker, and it does have its own motor and was like designed, specifically for doing this operation. So yeah, hopefully it solves our problem. This is one of our new properties that we have. I think I gave you guys a tour. Jenna's here hanging out. He's just waiting for me to get to work. But yeah, the sink's just draining slow. We actually had like a few of the other things draining slow, so I'm really hoping it's not a main, because if you've like subscribed to the channel and watched other videos, we had to replace the entire main, like a friggin' 100-foot run of main sewer line from the street all the way back to the house, and we just did that like a few weeks ago. It took us 2 days. We're in the excavator.
It was a different house though.
Knock that thing out. Yeah, different house. So we're hoping we don't have that same problem with this house, is what I'm getting at there. Because we had a few drains that were draining slow, but maybe there was like a tenant in this property before and they tried to like mess up the drains or something. Maybe they didn't pour concrete down them, but they like put something down them that shouldn't have been down them. So yeah, again, hopefully this fixes our problem. And subscribe if you're interested in any other property related videos, Tesla related videos, and or just entrepreneurial related content. Catch you on the next one. Peace.